Watch my previous video, go ahead and subscribe to my gaming channel. It's called MTR Games Live. That's where I'm going to be doing all my live streams from now on. So if you want to catch all my live streams, for some reason this channel is not being able to live stream anymore, or at least for the time being, so I'm going to get that fixed. Link in the description below and the first comment. Please go over there and subscribe to that channel. But let's go ahead and go on with the video.
Not when you hold me.
What is up, guys? John from Magic Tech Review, and in today's video we're just going to talk about airports in general. And yo, these electronics are way overinflated. All these prices are way overinflated. It is crazy, man. I seen a price $4.99 for a glass of juice, of fresh squeezed juice. Yo, this is crazy. But yeah, flying, guys, you definitely want to bring your own like type of snacks, and you definitely want to bring like a bottle where you can just like refill water, because it is way too expensive out here. But I mean, if you're getting paid to travel and there, you know, you got your own little credit card or whatever going on, then I guess it's okay. But if you're going on your own dime, it's not a good look, guys. So I got some little muffins that I took with me or whatever. You know, I'm gonna eat something when I land, because I'm not eating this airport. Yo, they're not getting me for $10 for no little meal. You know, the heck with all that. So yeah, man, I got little muffins. I took Little John's muffins, 2 little bags he had. So here they are. That's what I'm gonna eat right now. Hopefully they feed me on the plane. Oh my God, the small plane. I took the small plane from where I was. Right now I'm actually in DC, Washington DC airport. Let me tell you guys, the small plane. No sir, I don't want to ever do that again. So I forgot how bad small planes were. And then I seen the small plane, and I was like, oh no, they put me on one of these little planes. Like, it was so tiny, guys. It's just, yeah. I thought at one point we actually landed, but we were still that's how tough it actually felt. Like, because it was like, all right, prepare for landing, and I'm like, okay, cool, you know. And I feel like, dope. I'm like, okay, I guess we're on the ground. No, that was just a little bit of turbulence. Like, man, these small planes are not, no. I'm still kind of like shell shocked right now about how that plane fell. But I'm gonna be getting on a bigger plane, because I'm going from Washington to Los Angeles, or you know, to Las Vegas, obviously, in CES. So I'm glad for that. But yeah, small planes, no bueno. Like I said, if you're gonna travel, especially this air stuff, man, they are trying to get you. The drinks, the meals, everything is so expensive. Like, I went to Burger King at in the last airport I was at, and it was like $11 for 2 croissants. No sir, I am not paying $2 for 2 croissants, man. What do they take me for? But yeah, guys, so just like I said, be prepared. Pack a little bit of stuff. You know, I'm definitely gonna pack a little bit of stuff on the way back, but I'm on a 2-hour layaway right now. But as soon as I hit Las Vegas, I'm gonna be heading straight to CES, and we're gonna be going through and live streaming on the other channel, guys. So don't forget, MTR Games Live. I'm going to have it in the link in the description below. Definitely go subscribe to MTR Games Live. Something, you know what I'm saying, my previous videos tells you why I can't live stream on this channel at the moment. So hopefully, like I said, I'll get that fixed pretty soon. But if not, it is what it is. So anyways, guys, just wanted to give you a little bit of heads up. If you ever travel, like I said, small planes, don't do them. You can see it in my eyes. especially if you ain't had no sleep and you gotta get on a small plane. Yo, no, just don't do it. And then what else? Bring snacks. Oh, bring an empty container for water. There's like a little fountain or whatever that you just push right there, and it's like a little water refill thing. I wish I had an empty water bottle right now. It's like, and you can just sip it the whole time. It's like the hack. It's like all these people, like, they know all these little hacks and secrets to this flying stuff. Since I don't do it that often, I don't know. So I'm kind of unprepared. But as you can see, it's already busy, and it's only like 6 in the morning. So, or whatever. Anyways, guys, it's been John from Magic Tech Review. Hopefully you like this little vlog of me in Washington, D.C. I'm going to be heading out to Las Vegas. But yeah, man, small planes. Nope. Alright, peace out, guys. Don't forget to like the video. Bye-bye now. And yeah, just because it's high prices doesn't mean it's actually clean. Look at what I found right in the middle of the airport.